Welcome my friends. Now is the future. A future where artificial intelligence, or AI, is as common as electricity. You think AI is just for the tech gurus? Think of it like learning to drive. At first, it seems complicated, but once you get the hang of it, you can go anywhere with ease. Can you imagine a world where your car drives you safely to work while you catch up on your favorite podcast? AI is not just about robots and self-driving cars. It's like a Swiss Army knife, with a tool for every job, transforming industries from healthcare to finance. Can you think of an industry that wouldn't benefit from AI? Data is the fuel that powers AI. It's like the ingredients in a recipe: the better the ingredients, the better the dish. So, the next time you hear about big data, remember, it's the secret sauce of AI. There's a lot of debate about how AI will affect jobs and the economy. Yes, AI might replace certain jobs, but it's also creating new ones, just like the Industrial Revolution did. ChatGPT expert, specialist diffusion model developer, AI engineer, AI prompt engineer, text-to-image AI model developer, and AI architect are just a few new and emerging job roles. So, is AI a threat or an opportunity? I'd say, it's an opportunity to adapt and evolve. Think about your daily routine. Which parts of it could be made easier or more efficient with AI? What does the future hold for AI? Will we have robot butlers? Will AI write the next bestseller? It's like trying to predict the weather a year from now. But one thing is certain, AI is here to stay, and it's going to change the world in ways we can't even imagine. With the increasing use of AI, privacy has become a major concern. But remember, with the right regulations and safeguards, we can enjoy the benefits of AI without compromising our privacy. It's like putting a lock on your front door, it gives you peace of mind. As we continue to integrate AI into our everyday lives, it's crucial to strike a balance between progress and principle. AI ethics is all about promoting responsible AI use. It's like the rules of the road, they're there to keep everyone safe. AI has come a long way, but it's not without its limitations. For instance, while AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data, it still struggles with understanding context, especially in natural language conversations. Also, AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI could also be biased. It's like learning to cook from a recipe book: if the recipes are bad, the meals won't taste good, no matter how good the chef is. Some people imagine AI as menacing robots taking over the world, but the reality is far from it. Most AI systems today are designed to perform specific tasks, like recommending a song on your music app or helping doctors diagnose diseases. It's like thinking all birds can fly, when in fact, some birds like penguins and ostriches can't. AI is used in predictive analysis to identify high-risk patient groups and suggest appropriate healthcare interventions. It's also used in inventory management to predict demand and optimize stock levels. AI is used in personalized learning platforms to adapt content based on a student's learning pace and understanding level. Use a straightforward text prompt to unleash the potential of AI tools and watch as they produce beautiful pictures, fascinating movies, or a 100-page novel. In a world of endless possibilities, creativity and imagination come together. It's also used in administrative tasks like scheduling and responding to emails. AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about supercharging our capabilities. Remember, the future is not something that just happens to us, it's something we create. Let's create a future where AI empowers us all to reach new heights. Let's create a future that we can all be proud of. So, I ask you, are you ready to step into the future? Thanks for watching. I want to thank everyone for your time and attention today. This conversation has been greatly enriched by your involvement. I hope you learned something from this video, and that it gave you some fresh thoughts. Let's keep exploring, learning, and imparting our expertise. Till then, be safe and continue to be curious. Thank you.